As a developer, I want to understand, where do you see your guys plugging into sort of the game development stack? There's lots of folks who are going after sort of tools where it's, oh, the animators used to use tool X, now they use tool Y, right? Instead of hand animating a bunch of stuff, then you could use text to animation or whatever. But it still generates kind of an asset library that goes in. On the other side of this, probably the other extreme side of this, you could say, this is maybe not how they would classify themselves, but you could take something like a world model that's done by Odyssey or any of these folks that is really trying to replace the whole game engine, right? You don't have a game engine, you just have these frames generated magically on the side that replace your whole game engine, right? Where on that, it sounds like you're a combination physics engine and you don't have a traditional animation engine anymore. You have this instead. How do you guys replacing and where do you plug in?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so there are indeed companies trying to replace a very specific part of the stack. But the kind of games that you can create with that, they're essentially the same. They can tell you, okay, this part we're going to generate, but the rest is the same. And that's very easy to understand. Other companies are trying to do very ambitious things. Odyssey, for example. We are a bit in the middle. A developer will be able to download the API, for example, for Unity, and turning it on and off wherever they want in the game. So imagine that you have animated a character in your game. You have everything. You have the walking, you have dancing, and you're happy with that. But now you want to enable a player or a character to just throw balls on it, or you want the character to walk on terrain, or you want the character to interact with their environment in a wow kind of way. For those situations, you can turn Latent on, and the character will behave in an emergent fashion using one of the behavior models that we offer.